If you've been following AI tools lately, you've probably noticed something kind of strange. Every single week, there's an AI agent that claims it can do everything for you. Whether that's build apps, design websites, create content, or replace your entire workflow. But once you actually try to use most of them, the reality is you're stuck with half-finished outputs with almost zero control. You prompt something, it kind of works, something feels off, and your only option is to regenerate and hope it sticks. That's why I want to show you Runnable, and more specifically, Runnable 2.0, which just launched with a completely redesigned UI and some genuinely new capabilities. This isn't just another AI agent. Runnable positions itself as one of the most powerful all-in-one AI creation platforms right now. And after actually using it, I understand why people are starting to compare it and even replace tools like Manus and GenSpark. Let me show you what actually makes it different. At a high level, Runnable is a multimodal AI creation workspace. Inside one platform, you can generate and edit websites, presentations, videos, images, podcasts, reports and documents, all in one place. But the real difference isn't just the outputs. What makes Runnable stand out is native editing inside of black box generation, the AI canvas where everything happens in one workspace, and a massive inspirations library that lets you start fast without losing any creative control. This already puts it in a very different category from most AI agents. So, like I mentioned, Runnable 2.0 just launched, and the biggest change is the entirely new UI. Everything now revolves around two core ideas. First, inspirations, which are thousands of ready-made starting points for websites, slides, videos, and layouts. And second, the AI canvas. This is where creation, editing, and iteration all happen together instead of being split across tools. This update is a big reason why Runnable is starting to outperform competitors like Manus and GenSpark, especially if you care about speed without sacrificing quality or control. One of my favorite parts about Runnable is the inspiration system. There are over 10,000 design inspirations across websites, slides, videos, and visual layouts. So instead of prompting from a blank page, your workflow looks like this. You pick an inspiration, you customize it with your content, and then you refine it with AI or manual edits. And if you already have something in mind, you can import your own inspiration, whether it's a screenshot, a link, an existing layout, and Runnable uses that as the foundation. This alone saves a ridiculous amount of time. So let's start with AI slides, because this is one of Runnable's strongest features. You can generate a full presentation from a single prompt, a PDF, or even just a link. Runnable uses Nano Banana to generate clean, modern, high-quality slides, not that generic AI deck look. You can generate slides from an outline, maintain brand-consistent styling automatically, fine-tune slides using AI-powered edits, or full manual control. You can also export to Google Slides, PDF, or PowerPoint docs. And again, you can start from thousands of slide inspirations. At this point, it feels much closer to a real design tool than a basic AI generator. Next up is AI websites. This is where Runnable starts feeling less like an AI toy and more like a serious product builder. You can start from thousands of UI inspirations, generate a website or a web app with AI, generate image, text, and files, add Stripe payments, and connect your own domain and host it live. For developers and more technical users, API keys and secrets are encrypted and stored securely. You can view analytics, you can download the full code base as a zip, and you can also open it directly in VS Code and deploy generated apps with one click. These aren't your regular mockups, these are real shippable websites. Now let's talk about the AI Canvas, which is one of the biggest differentiators in Runnable 2.0. The AI Canvas lets you generate multiple versions at once, freehand edit with AI, upscale images, add effects, and mix uploaded media with AI-generated content. This works across image editing, video editing, image to video, and product visuals. Instead of bouncing between 5 different tools, everything happens in one creative surface. Now let's talk about AI and native editing. The part that most AI tools still get wrong is editing. With Runnable, if you're not satisfied with the result, you don't have to regenerate everything. You can natively edit documents, canvas assets, websites, slides, and then for text, you can rewrite copy with AI, you can change font family, size, and weight. You can manually tweak layouts, and for images, you can replace them entirely, upload your own, or regenerate specific assets with AI. This removes the endless prompt, regenerate, hope it's better loop. And it's a big reason why Runnable feels more usable than tools like Manus or GenSpark. Runnable also gives you access to multiple cutting-edge video models, including Nano Banana, WAN, GPT Image 1.5, and new models as soon as they're released. You can do text to video, image to video, and video to video. You can also generate and stitch multiple clips together and create videos up to 40 seconds long. This makes Runnable useful for demos, short-form content, product visuals, and marketing clips. Runnable also has strong capabilities for AI-powered podcasts, and this is more than just transcriptions or text summaries. With Runnable, you can generate full podcast episodes using simple prompts or source files, upload audio, transcripts, or even a list of topics, and Runnable will assemble a structured episode. You can create intros, outros, transitions, and even interview-style segments with AI voices. You can enhance audio quality, remove noise, balance levels, and fine-tune pacing, and produce podcast show notes, summaries, timestamps, and social captions automatically.
The rise of SpaceX, rockets, reusability, and the road to Mars. Welcome to our deep dive. I'm Alex, your enthusiastic space geek, and changed everything. It was a make or break moment.
So that one success unlocked the path forward?
Exactly.
What's powerful here isn't just the automatic generation, it's the end-to-end workflow. You input your raw idea or content, draft an episode structure with AI, generate and polish the audio, and publish ready-to-share segments. Because Runnable keeps podcasts in the same creative workspace as your other formats, either slides, visuals, or websites, you can cross-publish assets quickly and consistently. Another underrated feature is mini-apps. Think of mini-apps as small, focused AI tools inside of Runnable's larger agents. Instead of building from scratch, you pick a mini-app, upload or prompt once, and get instant results. Examples include AI image upscale and virtual try-on. They're designed for speed, perfect when you want just one thing fast. Now, 2 more features worth calling out. First, AI Sketch. You can draw rough wireframes, upload napkin sketches, or drop screenshots of existing sites. Runnable analyzes the layout, rebuilds it live, and lets you click any section, edit text, swap elements, and add new sections. And when you're done, you deploy and your sketch becomes a real website. Second is AI Chat. You can build using prompts, PDFs, links, screenshots, or sketches. You can drop in the input, hit run, edit anything you want, and deploy. Runnable is also surprisingly strong at reports and documents. You can turn raw data into professional reports. You can generate charts, insights, and recommendations. Combine multiple data sources into one coherent document, and instead of stitching things together manually, Runnable handles both the analysis and the presentation. What makes Runnable different isn't just that it can do a lot. It can do a lot, but it's that you're not locked into black box outputs, you can edit everything, you can start fast with inspirations, and you can actually ship real assets. With the launch of Runnable 2.0, this feels less like an AI agent and more like a creative operating system. If you care about speed and control, this one is absolutely worth paying attention to. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you never miss a new video.